Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about a very famous app. So the app is so famous and 1.5 billion people uses it. In this app you can earn $dollars by just clicking and just affiliate marketing or just PPD network system. And today I will show you some easy methods and some tricks to earn money. Guess what? Guess the name of the app. The app name is WhatsApp. So let me show you. As you can see, WhatsApp. So the idea is simple. You are going to short STU, you register, you send them visits by using URL shortening website. Is very imperative tool for making money. The WhatsApp, you will be paid money once you get a click on the link. Basically there are services which allow the users to shorten any website URL. So shorten link is also a kind of service which allow the user to shorten the link. Once you register, explore exciting materials such as viral videos, article and news. People like such content and love to click on such link. Now you have interesting content, so shorten it through short.st, and next you have to share it with WhatsApp contact and other groups. You will be given money for each click on your content. So what I'm going to say is if you give any link and if you shorten any link, people visit your link, then you will get money. So the next method is selling your product or that of third parties. So we call it affiliate system. So here works with a circle. The circle is affiliate signs into your affiliate program, and then number 2 is affiliate uses a unique affiliate link to promote your products on their website, social media, email, etc. Number 3 is user click on affiliate link and visit your website. Number 4 is cookie is stopped on user's computer. Number 5 is users buy a product from your site. Number 6 is user complete sale on checkout and it's recorded by the affiliate network. Number 7 is a notification is sent to affiliate system detailing the transaction and sales generated from the affiliate link. Number 8 and the last number is affiliate receives payment for the sales generated for the certain period. To make sure what is affiliate marketing helps you to make money from WhatsApp. So first let's understand what is affiliate marketing in order to simplify the process. It is a platform where you promote the specific product on behalf of company. So it is a very effective way to earn money using your WhatsApp. So affiliate marketing helps you to make money from WhatsApp. So first let's understand what is affiliate marketing in order to simplify the process. If you want to make big amount online, you need to sell the product in big number in order to get good commission over each sold product. Amazon is the best example of affiliate marketing. It is all about signing up the Amazon. Here you have the massive possibility to get a good commission because of variety of products. So you have to opt the product to promote. After getting one, get your affiliate URL and start promoting it on WhatsApp. Share the link with friends and connected groups. Keep in mind here too that you don't forget to give description link with your product. You can mention brand, discount or price, stock and limitation. Another method is PPD network system. So PPD stands for pay per download. Pay per download. Basically, as PPD network norms, you will be paid if your uploaded files are downloaded by users. You are recommended to go for openload.com. Among others PPD websites, it would be better than others. OpenLoad is one of the best PPD websites across the globe because it gives high salary and it's quite easy to sign up and get started. So in order to earn money from WhatsApp, you have to upload all the movies, images, songs and other interesting videos in OpenLoad. Next, share the link with your friends, WhatsApp contact on Facebook and so on. When you uploaded files and stuff are downloaded from the link, you are paid for that. For every download you obtain some money, but money may vary as per download capacity. So you would be allotted money for the survey completed and a successful download. This is how PPD network functions. Another trick is promoting applications. So it is also a magnificent way to make money, but this trick is unique in its way because here you don't get money. In lieu of money, you are offered free recharge, Paytm cash, etc. For instant recharge, you can use some other apps such as Taskbox, TalkTime, Lado, etc. So if you really want to recharge, you have to share the referral link with your WhatsApp contact. However, this is no better one, but in case of emergency, they may help you a lot. So the last thing is that I wanna say is you can globalize your business and you can promote your business by just WhatsApp. And as you know, the WhatsApp is very famous web app, and you know what, you can globalize your business within a night and you can become a very rich man by just using WhatsApp and earning money by WhatsApp. So thank you for watching my videos.